All right, today's Saturday, April 11th, and we're getting ready to put this front windshield in. So we used the clips, repop windshield clips all across the front and across the sides. And this corner right here calls for a little screw, along with this one down here. So in total, I think we used 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 clips on the front. We're putting the string in right now, and for some reason this weather strip doesn't fit that great. It keeps wanting to come off, so we duct taped it for now. But we're running the string in the weather strip, and we should be setting this in here in the next 10 minutes. Same process as the red rocket. There's a video out there showing that. It's just a string method. But I don't know why this rubber don't fit. Well, I know why. It's the shape of the glass. The rubber's straight when the glass does that, but we'll figure that out. So bring y'all back once this is on the car. All right, so we got the front windshield in. String method like previously recorded. It went pretty good. No real issues to report. This is original windshield, so it needs a little bit of polishing. It has a little bit of wiper burn. But we did that, got it in. We put the little dash pieces that we painted a long time ago back in. Then we start on the back clips. Back window calls for a lot more clips all the way around the whole window. As you can see, just hammer them in. So a little secret is these clips right here, originally they were bigger because the valley, as you can see, the valley right here gets wider as it comes over here. You can see the difference between this and that. So we had to get creative. We basically just cut a clip and screwed it in because I believe originally 2 outside clips are bigger than the rest of them. And I did have them. I had 3. But I think screwing them is a better idea. It's more secure. It ain't going nowhere. So we just did one here. This one calls for a clip in the actual molding that you access from the bottom, and clips all around. So we're got a brand new back window. And man, after seeing the back window, I wish I had a brand new front window. This thing's really nice. It's green tint, so we're about to wrap it in string right now. Set it in, pull the string. Oh, another important thing, which I learned on the 64, was you don't want to have your clips directly in the middle, because then the little belt buckle piece is going to want to lift up. So we offset them and about to set it in. So bring y'all back once that's done. All right, so it's still Saturday. We got the front and back glass in, got it done. This back glass was pretty tricky. We took it in and out 3 times before we were happy with it. That's a really big back window. And the trick I think we learned was the first 2 times we were setting it down and letting it fall. And it seemed like it was coming up short and sticking out on the back. So the 3rd time we stabbed it in up top and then let it fall down, and it worked out pretty good. Overall, the glass is okay. It's obviously reproduction. If I had to rate it or say how it can improve, I wish it was about an 1/8 to a 1/4 inch, or maybe 3/16 wider on each side, because it's going to be a close stretch for the stainless molding to cover up to meet the rubber right here. If it was a little bit wider, it would be 100%. But nonetheless, we did adjust it and try to get it even and set it in the middle. We used the string method. I didn't do a whole lot of recording on that. I have a video if you guys want to check it out. It's been a while, been maybe a year or so, when we did the front and back glass on the red rocket. It's the same concept, string method, works every time, doesn't cost anything. So front and back glass are in. The back glass is new. The front glass is original to the car. It does have a little bit of wiper burn. I'm gonna have to polish out. I don't even know if the camera's gonna pick that up. But pretty happy with it. That was today's goal. We got it done. Overall, it took probably, I don't know, about 4 hours or so. We used quite a bit of clips on the back. So if anybody doing this, you probably need to order about 30 clips for front and back. But overall, it wasn't a hard job. So next up on the list, I think I'm gonna paint the headliner moldings. I'm gonna paint them the color of the dash. So scuff that up and spray them. The interior, the seat covers should be here any day. I think it's been about 2 months since I ordered them, so any day now. And depending on the color of that, well, I mean, I know what color I order, but I want to see them in person, is going to be dependent on what color I paint the rear speaker and the seat spacers, side spacers. So I might paint that light gray. Need to get a steering column. But short-term goal is get stuff ready for another powder coat load. Bumper brackets and just miscellaneous stuff. We also put the door locks on. So we got that. And the trunk lock. So starting to come together. Just can't get over how big this back window is and how, I don't know, how funky of a shape it is. I've seen 61s, but I've never built one, so I've never really, dissected them. The thing has a lot of curves on it, but I dig it. And the glass is green tinted, so kind of gives it a little light gray tint. Anyways, enough rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the update. Stay tuned for more work. Thanks for watching.